Time for a room tour. This time we're on one of the DFDS ships. Stephen's going to find out what it's called. On one of the DFDS ships going to Holland. So we're at Newcastle now. I'm going to Edgemuiden in Holland. Oh, here's the steward coming.
Ilan mabayo kailangan? 37. 37 more. Okay.
So take two. The cabin steward came and went to stop the video. So this is our DFDS ship in Commodore Deluxe, and we're going from Newcastle to Edgemuiden in Holland. I'll put a little thing on the screen saying what the name of the ship is, because I always get it wrong and everybody always criticises it. So this is the view outside. Obviously we haven't left yet. We've just got on the ship, so we haven't moved a muscle yet. So Stephen's just checking out the complimentary Toblerones. So this is, oh, it's got a nice big TV. There's a mini bar as well, which has free drinks in it, which if Stephen excuses me, I'll show you the mini bar. So everything in here is included. Not sure what's in it though, so. Oh, well, nothing too much. Some lager and some water and some pop. But there is a lounge which has free drinks in it as well, which we're going to go and explore in a little bit. So this is the main cabin, as I've just shown you. There's a wardrobe somewhere. Is there a wardrobe in here? Yes, there's a wardrobe in here. I think there's another one in here. Two wardrobes. I'm using this new DJI gimbal camera, so you have to excuse me if it's all going a bit funny and if the sound quality is rubbish. So here's the bathroom. Commodore Deluxe, you get all these toiletries and a little sewing kit and things. Ooh, there's a shower in here. You get one of these all-purpose cleaning products in there, so it scrubs every part of your body. There is the toilet, which I don't need to show you, and this is us coming out. There you go. Hope you've enjoyed that. Steve, do you know the name of the ship yet?
It's the King Seaways.
The King of Seaways.
No, King Seaways.
King Seaways is the name of the ship. So I'm going to go and explore the lounge now, and I'll show you the area, because it's like a special concierge area that you come into when you first get on board the ship. Hope you've enjoyed that. Hopefully the sound quality is okay, because this is a new camera, as I say, and I have no idea what the sound quality is like. Over now for now. Bye bye. We're going to go and explore the lounge now. This is the whole other end of the concierge. I keep saying concierge, I mean Commodore Deluxe it's called. It's equivalent of concierge though if you're on a cruise ship. I'm just going to go to the lounge now.
That's probably slightly better than last time.
Mm-hmm.
Must be wine.
You risk it first and tell me how it is.
I know how it's going to be. I know exactly how it's going to be.
Thanks, sugar.
stuff on both sides. You don't. There's some carrots.